oxidized. If it gains electrons and loses the oxygen, then it is become reduced. So let's see what we're going to do today. First, we're going to do two different problems. One is a combination and one is a single replacement problem. Alright, the first one, if it's by itself, that means it's neutral, so we're going to put a 0 on top. It's by itself, it's neutral, we're going to put a 0 back on top. Alright, now right here, you got to do your backwards crisscross. Remember, these are understood 1 right here, so this is going to be a positive 1 and a negative 1. Alright, this first sodium, it was neutral, and then it comes a positive, so it came a positive, that means it lost an electron. So if it loses an electron, it comes oxidized, so sodium is oxide. Okay, chlorine, it was neutral to begin with, and then afterwards, it is a negative 1, so if it's a negative, that means it gains electrons, because electrons are negative, so now that one is reduced. So chlorine is reduced. Now how easy is that? Now let's go to one was a single replacement. It's a little bit different. Alright, we got, instead of having a single to begin with, we have a compound to begin with. But you still do the same thing. You still do your backwards cross multiply. Okay, so right here, this is understood 1 right here. This is understood 1, so this could be a plus 1, minus 1. It's by itself, neutral, so you put a 0. Then you go on the other side. Copper is by itself, so it's neutral. And you do the same thing here. This lead is considered 1 right here, and that sulfate is considered 1, so that's going to be a positive 1, negative 1. Alright, now let's look at it. Copper, it goes from a positive 1 to a 0, to neutral. What happens is, that means it gains an electron. So if it gains electrons, what is that? What does that mean? Yes, that's right. If it gains an electron, that means it has become reduced. Alright, sulfate is negative 1, negative 1. Didn't change, so we ain't going to worry because it didn't get oxidized or reduced. Now lead, it goes from a 0 to a positive 1. What happens? I mean, it's lost an electron because positive, because the electrons are negative, so there's no protons and electrons now. So that means that lead, if it lost an electron, it means it's got oxide. So it is oxide. So that's how you do it. So get ready for test Friday, y'all.